And what am I making? I'm making Ginisang Munggo. The Filipino word ginisang means sauteed mungo, mung bean. Ginisang Munggo is actually a vegetable stew because it is cooked slowly in liquid in a closed dish or pan. This comfort food is just perfect for this cold weather. You can add protein like shrimp, pork, and crushed pork rinds, but for today, let's keep it veggie. Onion, garlic, a packet of whole mung beans, fresh bunch of spinach or Ampalaya leaves, tomato, fish sauce, 1 Pamana Ginisa packet, and a pack of firm tofu. Lightly fry smashed garlic, sliced onions, tomatoes, and pour in a packet of Pamana Ginisa. Add 2.5 cups of water and stir. Cover the pot and let simmer until mungo is tender. Meanwhile, you can lightly fry your tofu. When mungo is tender, drop in your veggies and add 2 tablespoons of patis. Serve Ginisang Munggo with rice, and this hearty yet budget-friendly meal will become an instant hit for generations to come.